Hi, my name is Edward Nelson, and today I'm going to be covering some topics from Chapter 5, which is Attitudes and Their Functions. And today I would specifically like to focus on the function of utilitarianism and how that can apply to your life. And utilitarian approach states that people will adopt new attitudes or behavior in order to achieve rewards or success, while at the same time avoiding negative consequences or, in my case, failing an accounting 2 class. So the story begins with me in sophomore year at UTSA, and I'm still a business major. And the semester's just started, and I have to take an accounting 2 class. But the catch is, I had actually taken this class the semester before, but failed it because I just didn't take it serious, and as a result, that's what I got. I got failure. So the second semester, this is the second time I've taken it. The semester's just beginning, and I'm telling myself, you're gonna have to do something different, or this isn't gonna work out, and you're gonna fail it again. And at the time, I didn't realize it, but I was actually adopting a utilitarian approach. I was going to change my study habits, and I was going to have a more positive attitude when it came to the class. And as a result, I did some really good work, and I ended up finishing the class that year with a B because of the shift in attitude and the shift in behavior. But now that I've explained the actual experience, I would like to make some inferences as to how I actually went from failing an accounting 2 class to succeeding and making a B in the class, because it wasn't easy and it did take a lot of work. But I personally believe that, like the utilitarian approach suggests, that I accepted the fact that the semester before my attitude was poor, and as a result my work was poor. So I knew that going forward I was going to have a positive attitude. I was going to approach the class with the mindset that I'm here to do well and I'm here to learn. So I didn't skip class that semester. I took notes in every class. I asked questions. When it came down to homework, diligently I did every single homework that was assigned, and even some of the extra problems that the teacher would assign, just to make sure that I was doing enough work to succeed. And as a result, I did succeed and it paid off. But I believe that this utilitarian approach can be applied to more aspects than just like an accounting 2 class where you need to study more. I think that it can also be applied in everyday life, such as in someone's working environment. Let's say you're at work and you don't really like your job. Maybe it frustrates you, maybe the people you work with you just don't get along with, or maybe you're just tired of doing the same thing. But it's okay. I think that with an attitude shift and changes in behavior, it would be okay to still maintain the job, and you could actually learn to like certain aspects of it. And another thing I would just like to say is that when it comes to work, you'd have to realize that not everyone can find a job these days. So in addition to the positive attitude of I'm going to go into work every day and give my best effort, I would also consider the fact that I'm thankful that I have a job while other people are still struggling. But moving forward, now that I've talked a little bit about how you can apply it to real life, I would like to conclude by saying the textbook itself has helped me gain a better understanding and new knowledge of attitudes and how powerful they really can be in everyday life. Just like the utilitarian approach states, you need to adopt new behaviors and new attitudes in order to gain rewards or achievements. In my case, passing an accounting 2 class that before you thought couldn't be done, while at the same time avoiding the negative consequences, which in my case would definitely be failure as a result of having a poor attitude, not showing up to class, and basically not taking it serious and wasting more time complaining when I could have been applying myself and succeeding. But as a result, I myself learned from that failure that attitudes are powerful, and you can manifest your attitudes into incredible things and achieve anything you want to achieve in life, I personally believe. But once again, I'm Edward Nelson, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.